Keolana, please report. Keone Keolana, please report. Keone Downey, please report. What's Keolana? And Keone Keolana, please report. Nolan Keolana. There we go, red up and riding from the point. Ryan Keolana. Look at that, streaking across the outside. Oh. Outside. Black, that's Tamu Hawaii. Coming through. Jamie Mitchell. Scott Cass. Ekonu Kalama, please report. There we go. Keone Keolana. Up and riding. Trying to make it to the wall. And dives. White Bonga Perkins taking off from behind the reef at the point. Here we go. Keone Keolana on outside. There we go on the back set. That's black. That's Tamu Hawaii. Oh, he's waiting for us out of there. Up and riding, Bonga Perkins. Pause. When you get a chance to see Heritage. Alright, that looks like that's the end of semi-final run. Right on. On the way, semi-final number 2 in red, Chuck Patterson. In black, Kiliima Mamala. In green, Ikaika Kalama. And wearing white, Aaron Napoleon. go, gang. Semi-final round, first annual Takeoff Plate Challenge here at Macau Surfer Beach. 4th place, Bonga Perkins. In 3rd place, on the outside, there's Chuck Patterson. On the outside, behind the point. Coming out of the trials, making it all the way to the semifinals. Yep. Here we go, on the outside, on the point, streaking it across. There we go, he tacked up Kalama. Making it all the way across from the point. On the outside, that is making it right into the white water. That is like Chuck Patterson. Big off the top, oh, right into the seam. And that is white Aaron Napoleon. There we go on a huge set. Coming up to the bowl, let's see if he's going to pull in. There's a right around. Look at this wave on the outside. On the outside, taking off. That's Kili Momala. Get to the last bit of the set. Outside. That is Chuck Patterson. Oh, that was Chuck Patterson.